The Solvay process. Where toner is unavailable, sodium carbonate and sodium carbonate are manufactured by Solvay process. The raw materials in this process are sodium chloride, calcium carbonate, coke, and ammonia. These raw materials are readily available and cheap. This is the system used in the Solvay process. Ammonia is dissolved in brine in the Solvay tower to produce ammoniacal brine. A lot of it is produced in this process. The amount of it produced is controlled by regulating the flow of brine into the Solvay tower. The ammoniacal brine is then pumped into the carbonator from the top, where it trickles down the carbonator, while carbon dioxide from the kiln is pumped from the base. The carbonator has to be cooled regularly to reduce the amount of heat produced in it. The reaction in this process are as follows. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, being less soluble than ammonium chloride at the low temperature, forms crystals in the lower cooler part of the carbonator. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is separated from ammonium chloride by filtration. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is then dried and decomposed by heating at 300 degrees Celsius to produce sodium carbonate. The initial carbon dioxide used in this process is mainly from the decomposed calcium carbonate and the burning of coke in the kiln. The ammonia used in this process is obtained from the other process. Calcium oxide produced in the limestone kiln is slaked with water and mixed with the ammonium chloride to form ammonia, water, and calcium chloride. The Solvay process is one of the most efficient industrial processes because pollution problems are considerably reduced. CO2 and ammonia are recycled to minimize cost. The water produced is recycled to minimize thermal effect on the water source near the plant. Energy consumption is small since burning of coke supplies the necessary heat. Calcium chloride is the only byproduct which is not recycled in the process and has a wide range of uses. The best site of the Solvay process plant should be close to a river or large source of water to cool down the carbonator. This is the general flowchart of the Solvay process. As you can see, the flowchart starts from brine as it goes along until we produce the
So you realize
sodium
that the
hydrogen
Solvay process is very important actually for a student or even somebody who is not even a student, because it will actually help you outside there one time that you shall be interacting with the process. So ensure that you understand it better. Thank you.